How to turn off voiceover on iPhone when locked. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Now it's very simple to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on anything you have. So the first method is using Siri. So what you have to do is press and hold the physical side power button or the physical home button to wake Siri up. And then, or I can just say something like, "Hey Siri." And then what I'm going to do is if I go ahead and long press on it for long enough, as you can see, Siri's activated. And now all I'm going to do, turn off voiceover. As you can see, the voiceover setting now comes up, and I can just go ahead and turn it off right here. Now, what I could also do is, that's literally it, but what I can also do is navigate your lock screen gestures to unlock. So wake up the screen, and then tap a number once to select it. A black bounding box will frame the key, and the voice will say the number. Immediately double tap anywhere on the screen to confirm and input that digit, and repeat this single tap to highlight, double tap to confirm process for every digit in your code, and then that's it, you should be good to go.